The next airdrop we're going to do is called Juice. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. There's a link in the description box below this video. It will take you right to Juice. What we're going to do is we're just going to connect with Facebook. We already got our Facebook popped up. Click on this. Boom. It's already there. Now this looks like a hot platform. This looks pretty good actually. So that's the end of this airdrop. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more of these coming up. Yeah, you can probably explore this quite a bit. You can probably send this out to your friends. And we're off on to the next video.